Planning a mid-October camping trip in the Pacific Northwest is a gamble with the weather gods. Friends and I took our chances by planning this trip well in advance and struck gold. Fire band season was over, and the rainy season hadn't taken hold, at least not on the east side of the Cascades.
What is the pollo asado? It's chicken. Okay, what is the carne asada? It's the beef. Okay, then we get 2 carne asada tacos.
Our first night, we made it to the sunny side of the mountains. Next morning, we broke camp, headed farther east.
Free beef.
Challenge the future.
The future of the Schwab Tire Centers is in your hands. What you do with it will be the gauge of your success in life.
Arrived here.
After a quick pit stop, we headed to the hills in search of a place to stay the night. We had a loose idea where we'd end up, but nothing was certain. What a great spot we found. What a great fire ring. We had to stop and check out the Blue Ridge mine, one of the more well-known mines in the area. Its location is no secret. roaming around on a few Forest Service roads, we came across one of the most beautiful campsites I've ever been. You'll have to find this one on your own. With our campsite secured for our last night of the trip, it was time to cook up some dinner.